Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Today I'm in my garage with Bert. How you doing, buddy?
Good to meet you, man.
Excellent. Bert casually drove from the other side of Birmingham to drop off some his Triumph Thunderbird parts
Yeah,
to Pinstripe, right?
excellent idea.
Yeah, you think so? I don't. Anyway, show us what you got over here. That's the front
We've
mud
got a
guard.
nice mudguard,
Yeah.
tank, side panels, rear mudguard.
Yeah, so all the panels for the bike.
Yeah, all the metal work.
And what we doing today on it? What
We're
would you
going
like
to do
me
some very exquisite pinstriping, just to set it off.
I like that word. Very exquisite pinstriping.
Yeah.
You came to the wrong place, mate, for that.
Oh, bollocks.
Excellent. But he's bringing a bottle of rum. Where is my rum? I dropped my rum. Where is my rum? We're looking for rum, guys. Rum is somewhere in the garage.
Ain't drunk it yet.
I haven't drunk it yet. I'll find it. I'll find it in a minute. It's somewhere in the garage, and I'll show you what Bert brought me as a gift. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Rock and roll. And we're back just 2 seconds later. We found the rum. What is it?
Wood's the best rum in the world.
And why is it the best?
When you've drunk it, you'll tell me it's the best.
There you go. Old Navy rum, Woods, and it's not 40, not 45, it's 57%. Well, you know what I'll be doing tonight.
And
Thank you very much, mate.
you're welcome.
Guys, I'm gonna crack on with pinstriping because Bird is hanging around in Cambridge today for a few hours while I get the job done. I'm gonna take you on the journey with me and then revisit the whole place when it's all finished. Catch us in about 3 to 4 hours.
See you soon.
Right guys, we're back with Bird over here in my garage. Well, he's been actually watching what I was doing, which is a good thing, because I cannot be trusted when Ram is left alone with me.
Can't be left alone for a minute, can you?
Not with Ram, no. Not with a beautiful bottle of Ram. So that's a bad news. But we're all done now, and Bird, tell me, what do you think?
I'm over the moon, Mackie.
Are you?
I certainly am.
Thanks, man. Something you wanted, yeah? More or
Yeah.
less?
Really going to bring the bike to life.
Yeah, well, it was alive before that anyway,
Yeah,
but yeah, as we are discussing, the bike needs to be good, and the pinstriping is a icing on top.
yeah,
You can't overpower it, and that's a very nice combo, because you got black going on, and it's complementing with black pinstriping, and you got metallic silver and grey on top of it, so it's kind of subtle,
Yeah.
not too much, but it just classy.
Excellent. Brilliant.
Happy?
I'll send you some pics when it's
Oh.
back together.
Please do, when the bike is together, and then I'll upload one of the videos so you guys can see it. Unfortunately, Bird, you're not coming to the bike.
No, I'm overseas, but
You-
the next time I'll
Next time,
definitely
yeah.
be there.
Next time, yeah, definitely. Well, it would be good to see this bad boy put together
Yeah,
on the show. Show on the meet. So hopefully there's gonna be a few more this summer coming up. So we're definitely gonna come.
definitely. Thank you very much.
Hey,
man.
mate, my pleasure. Nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you as well. All right, guys, that's it for today. Saturday, very productive day for both of us. You on your way back to Birmingham?
Yeah,
Yeah, and I'm gonna drink some rum. That's it.
that's it. Sorted.
Sorted. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Rock hard, have a beer, and we'll see you very soon.
Thank you.